first?
Let's hit this. Go.
What? Oh,
Go.
Wait. Introduce it. In what corner, what?
Ladies and gentlemen, in the left corner we have Israel. And on the right corner we have Jessica.
Yeah.
Let's get ready to rumble. Go. Damn. They're going all out right now. He's got to get down low in there. Just gonna throw him some heavy blows right now. Israel's took in the duck and cover position.